Look at that mesmerizing glow. We are staring directly into the heart of a Japanese grill, where pure white oak charcoal, Kishu Binchotan, burns at a staggering 1,000 degrees Celsius. The sizzle you hear is chicken fat rendering, dripping onto the coals and instantly vaporizing into a fragrant smoke that wraps around the meat. This isn't just barbecue, it's yakitori. Today, we are stripping the complexity to reveal the soul of this iconic street food. We'll explore exactly how to master the flame, the precise cuts, and the deep history behind every bite. Joining me at the counter are Kenji Takahashi, a third-generation yakitori shokunin from Tokyo, and Dr. Ayumi Sato, a leading culinary historian of Edo and Meiji-era street food.
To make true yakitori, precision is everything. We do not just chop chicken. For the classic negima, chicken sai and scallion, each piece must be exactly 30 grams. Any larger, the outside burns before the inside cooks. Any smaller, the meat dries out instantly. The flavor relies on our tare, the mustard sauce. My family's base is 100 milliliters of dark soy sauce, 100 milliliters of pure mirin, 50 milliliters of sake, and 20 grams of brown sugar. We simmer this slowly until it thickens into a glossy glaze. But remember, the tare only amplifies the chicken. It must never hide the natural flavor of the bird.
That reverence for the bird actually comes from necessity. During the Meiji era, around 1880, chicken was a luxury ingredient reserved for high-end restaurants. Early yakitori stalls literally meant grilled bird, but they primarily served cheaper game like sparrow or quail. It wasn't until the post-war period in the 1950s, with the introduction of commercial broiler chickens, that chicken yakitori became the everyman's food. Stalls sprang up under railway tracks and in dark yokocho alleys. The unmistakable scent of binchotan smoke blowing into the streets acted as a free, irresistible billboard for exhausted salarymen heading home.
The grilling itself is a fast, violent dance. For salt-grilled yakitori or shio, we place the skewer directly over the hottest part of the binchotan. 3 minutes on the fast side to crisp the skin, then a quick flip and 2 minutes on the second side. We are aiming for an exact internal temperature of 74 degrees Celsius, no more, no less. This aggressive 5-minute blast of heat locks the juices inside. As the fat drops into the 1,000-degree cores, it combusts. That smoke rushes back up, coating the chicken in a complex, savory perfume that gas or electric grills can never replicate.